Hello guys, do you want to keep your website safe from unexpected issues? Activating automatic backup on HostGator is a smart move. In this video, I will show you step by step how to enable automatic backups easily. So start by logging into your HostGator customer portal. Once you're in, head over to the Hosting tab to manage your active hosting plan. Scroll down to the Site Backup or Code Guard section because some HostGator plans include backups by default, while others may require adding CodeGuard as an extra service. Now, if CodeGuard is not active yet, click Add to purchase or activate it. Once activated, you will get automatic daily backups with one-click restore options for your files and databases. Now, click on the CodeGuard icon to open its dashboard. From here, you can view backup history, configure settings, and manage what gets backed up on your site. Make sure that your daily automatic backups are enabled by default, and you can also choose to backup specific directories or databases if you don't want to include the entire website. So, once activated, perform a test backup and try restoring a small file to confirm everything works smoothly. This helps ensure your site is fully protected. Now, keep an eye on your backup logs in the CodeGuard dashboard to make sure that backups are running daily without errors. You will also get a notification if something goes wrong. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.